Rain taps gently on my window pane. City lights glow in the night's domain. In the cold we find a sweet escape. Two hearts dancing in the night's sleep. Umbrellas shared through the wet cement. Laughs and whispers under night's intent. Lightning flashes bring our souls to light. In the rain we find our sight. Raindrops fall love's melody. Underneath the sky we're free, free. In your eyes I see the storm calm down. You and me, we own this town. Puddle jumps and splashes in the street. Our footsteps weaving in a rhythmic beat. Every drop a promise waiting to unfold. In this rain, our love takes hold. Wind blows stories only we can hear. Lost in moments, nothing else is clear. In the chaos we find peace tonight. Rainy days have never felt so right.